Yeah, good day viewers. Good day class. Welcome to Easy Learning Mathematics class for WAEC and also for university. What I have for you today is question on surd, and what we call this is what we call surdic equation. We call this what? Surdic equation. Then before we go to this, let's go to what? Solution of this. But remember that your subscription is necessary. Subscribe to this channel, love this channel, comment and share to your friends. If you love what we are doing in this channel, comment, share to your friends. Over to what we have. This. Then I have this. What they give me is this. X plus 6 minus this x plus 3 equals to this 2x plus 5. Yeah, what they want me to get here is x. Evaluate means I should get the value of what? X. Yes. But the x they said I should get, they are all inside prison. Look at it. It's inside prison. It's inside prison. It's inside prison. And what is that called prison? The root. I can't get anything that is inside the root except when I remove the root. If I didn't clear the root, I can't get this man that is inside it. That's what I call they are all in the what? Prison. Then what will I do to remove the root? You remember on the law of the what? Surdic law, we said that similar surd, which is this times what? This will give me what? What is inside the surd. I said root A times root A will give me what is inside the root. If similar surd multiply itself, it will give me what is inside it. Two similar surd, not more than two. If I have this now, if I have this root x plus what? 2 times root x plus what? 2. They are similar surd. When they multiply themselves, it will leave me with x plus what? 2. Maybe this man jam themselves, they give me what is inside the roots. If I have x plus what? 2 like this, maybe let me put 4 and all roots like this and all squared. This simply means that roots of x plus what? 4 times roots of x plus what? 4, and the answer is x plus what? 4. So when a similar root multiply themselves, what will be my answer is what is inside one of them. Then let us look at this. If I have this now, root of x plus roots of 5 plus y, and then I have this to be squared, and this simply means roots of what? X plus root 5 plus y, I think so, that's what we have there, 5 plus y, times roots of x plus roots 5 plus y. If these two times themselves, it will leave me with what is inside the root. Look at this man is the first king. Another person is inside him. This man is also another person inside him. The answer will be x plus what? Root of 5 plus y. That's what it will give me. Root x plus root of y 5 plus what? Y. I said if similar roots multiply themselves, it will what? Uncap the first root, leave what is inside. I get what I'm saying that what is inside is what it's going to give me. I think we have noted it. Then let us go to unsimilar roots. If unsimilar roots, unsimilar surd, I get what I'm saying. Look at unsimilar surd, which I have n times what? Surd of what? M. And that will give me, what this will give me is a what? Surd of what? N M. Are you get what I'm saying now? They will not leave me with what is inside the root, but they will leave me with their multiplication. An example, look at the example. I said surd of 5 times what? Surd of 6. This will leave me with a surd of 5 times what? 6. Give me surd of what? 30. I get what I'm saying. And that simply means that surd of 30 can be stated as surd of what? 5 times what? 6 and is equal to surd of 5 times what? Surd of 6. I think I'm revising it now. So this man, I've revised it back to what I have. I get what I'm saying? So when on similar surd multiplying themselves, it will leave me with what is it in that surd. And these two things I explained now is what we are going to use to solve this man. I explained two things, similar surd multiplying themselves, two similar surd, two, jam themselves, it will leave me with what is inside the surd. If two unsimilar surd multiply themselves, it will leave me with the product of what is inside the surd, and it will carry what surd, and it's the product of what is inside the surd, and it will carry the surd, right? And when they multiply themselves, they will leave me with what is inside the root. I think we are satisfied. Let's go back to our question here. Then, these two things I explained now is what we are going to use to tarnish this question. We are going to use it to tarnish this question, this problem. We are going to use it to solve it. Now, the people I'm looking for, they are inside the roots. Then, for me to get them, I will say what? To release them, I will say square both sides. Square both sides of the equation. Both sides of the equation. To remove this man. If I square both sides, this man will remove. That's the reason why I'm squaring both sides. I'll have this x plus 6 first. Let's move fast. X plus what? 3 squared. I will have this 2x. I will have root 2x plus 5 squared. And what are you going to have? Here now, this square. I will have here to be what? This will be this x plus 6 minus. This will be x plus 3 in brackets. This will be what? X plus 6 minus. This will be giving me x plus 3 in brackets. And what will happen here? What will happen on this man? This man now means this multiplying itself into 2, which I explained now. Then what will happen to this man? This man means that what? It will multiply itself. This man will multiply itself. It will give me what? 2x plus 5. Then, an intelligent student will ask me this question. Why will this man expand himself, jam himself, and the answer become this? And why won't this man as well jam himself and answer become this? Ooh, that is a very intelligent question. The student will ask, why this man jam himself? I think you know what I mean. This man that means, this means this, as I explained, this 2 root x plus 5 this squared means this 2x plus 5 jam 2x plus what 5, and I said is what 2x plus 5. This means jamming themselves. The person now asks, why this man jam themselves and the answer become this? Then this man jam themselves. Why won't it give me this man minus this man? That's an intelligent question. The only way that it will leave you in a what is inside the root is when it is a what? A common unit. These are two families. They are two families. They are not one. This and this are two families separated by a minus. So if you repeat them, it's just like you are repeating 4 families. So this one is only one family repeating themselves, jamming themselves. But this one is 2 families jamming themselves. So it can give you this. I get what I'm saying? And that's why you will have this. Alright? Nice. You can give you this because there are 2 families. Why this one is what? One family. Repeating themselves, chanting themselves. That was called like sad. Move. Let's move. I think I've answered that question. Then now, I'm going to use long multiplication to expand this, and also I'm going to use mental expansion to expand it. So you choose two of them. I believe that mental expansion gives you fast, easy, fast. Therefore, you needed to learn it. If I do this with long multiplication, which you know right from what? Secondary school. But I'm going to give you mental expansion, which also you know in secondary school, but you normally don't use it. If I explain to you how to use it, you can do that using it fast. Well, let us move ahead. I have this. This man will multiply this mean root of x plus 6 into root of x plus 6 minus root of x plus 3. I close the bracket. This man have go to jam this man. This man said, let me go first. You know that they are jamming themselves. This man said, let me go first and finish them. They are stupid people. The man goes inside them. Are you saying that? After he have gone to finish them, okay, this man will say, okay, let me go. Who is one of these minus? Look at the value that I have this minus. Look at it. The one of these minus is this value. So he carries his minus and said, okay, let me go and finish them. Since my brother have entered there, and let me go my own also. Which will I enter? I will have what? X into what? This plus what? 6 minus the root into this plus what? 3. I close. Have you seen it? And is equals to, this is equals to 2x plus what? 5. I think you are following what I'm doing. I said this man first go, and this man carries plus. You know that this man is plus. He carries plus here. He jam them. And this man carries minus. He jam them. Are you there? Then now, expanding this will give me root of x plus what? 6 times root of x plus 6. And that's, this man have times, I will have minus. This man times will give me this, which will give me x plus what? 6 times what? Root of x plus what? 3. Then again, I'm through with this. Then this man will go with his own. Carry his minus. Minus root of x plus what? 3 times, who is he dancing? He danced this man. And he's dancing this man become root of what? X plus what? 6. He have deal with this man. This minus going to dance this man. Look at this minus, minus. This minus dancing this man. I don't need to worry myself. I'll put plus here. Are we there? Why did I put minus here? Minus times plus, it become minus. And this is this minus dancing plus, which is here. He give me minus. That's why I have this. Then this minus going over to dance this man. This man is with minus, mad sign. Going to meet mad sign, it become plus. So automatically, no, I put plus. I want to take this to say the roots of what? X plus what? 3 multiplying. Multiplying roots. Multiplying roots of what? X plus 3. And is equals to 2x plus 5. Are you getting what I'm talking about? I'm starting, this man multiply this, he gave me this, minus, look at it. He goes and multiply this, he gave me this. This one carries minus, multiply this, he gave me what? This. He carries minus, jam the minus again, it become plus, give me this, and it's equals to this. Then let's go. This and this are the same side. It will leave me with x plus 6. This and this are unlike side. It will leave me with what? X plus 6 in bracket times what? X plus what? 3. You remember what we said? Unlike side times themselves, it will be product of what is inside the root and the roots. Okay? Then minus this times this. It's the same thing on different side. I will have this to be what? X plus what? 3 in bracket times what? X plus what? 6 in bracket. That's what we said about what? Unlike side, right? Then plus, look at my plus. I've settled with this. Look at this minus. This, I've settled with this. This, I've settled with this. This, I've settled with it. Then I'm coming for this now. This, look at where I am. This and this. It will give me plus, leaving me with what is inside the root. Because this man and this man are the same. And it will leave me what is inside the root. And the man become what? 2x plus what? 5. Then I will move again. I will collect those that is in the root, one side. And collect those that I've already released from the root, one side. Are you getting what I'm saying now? I will collect those that still in the roots. Those people that are still in the prison, in the root, one side. I will collect those that have released from the root, one side. Now watch me now. This and this is 2x. This and this is what? 9. I think I won't follow you. I will say this is minus. Who is the owner of this minus? Is this man? I will have minus. I will have minus into what? This. X plus what? 6 in bracket. I will have x plus 3 in bracket. And a minus again. This man, which is x plus what? 3 in bracket. And what? X plus what? 6 in bracket. And this man is what I have here. This and this is what? 2. X plus x is 2. I hear what I'm saying. I will say 2x. If it goes over here, it becomes minus 2x. So that will not waste time. I'm not wasting time again. This plus this will give me 2x, which is here, plus 2x. If you cross this inequality sign to go over here to meet this man, it becomes minus 2x. This plus this will give me plus 9. Will give me plus 9. Then it's going over there to meet this man, it becomes minus 9. Are you get what I'm saying? Are you following that? This plus this is 9. If now decided to go over there, become minus 9. You know what I said? Collecting those one that has roots, one place. Taking those one that doesn't have roots over there. Because I've released them from the prison. These people are still in prison. You're still in prison. I'm going to release you soon. So these are the same thing. This man and this man are the same thing. I'll write it this way. Minus 2 roots x plus 6 into x plus 3. Somebody will say, why he said it's the same thing? Look at this one is x plus 6. This one is x plus 3. And this one x plus 6. They mixed up. They are not the same. No, they are the same. This is the same thing as A times B is same thing as B times A. That makes 3 times 2 is same thing as what? 2 times 3. And the answer is 6. So whether this one is here or this one is here, it's the same thing as whether this one is here or this one is what? This one is here or this one is here. It's the same thing. You make me right? It's the same thing. This and this one are there. You get me right? So they are the same. And again, this thing I did here is just like minus y will give me minus 2y. I'm owing y. I'm owing another y. How much am I owing? I'm owing 2y. And the minus said I'm owing. Then look at it. I'm owing this, which is minus. I'm owing this again, which is minus. And this is what the same thing. So how many am I owing? I'm owing 2 of it. And this will be equals to this minus this will give me 0. This minus this will give me minus 4. Minus 4. I will have what? Minus what? 4. Then now, these people are still in prison. They're still in prison. I have to square again. Square both sides again to release them from the prison. I have to square this thing again, both sides, to release these people from the prison. So, can I clean up here so that we can complete this immediately? I'm cleaning over here. I think you have noted them. I'm cleaning here. And now, I will say that minus 2 roots of what? X plus what? 6 in bracket. And this is what? X plus what? 3 in brackets. I get what I'm saying? Is equals to what? Minus 4. I can now say that minus 2 roots of what? X plus 6 in bracket into x plus 3 in bracket. I will square them. They squared and the minus 4 squared. Because I want to release these people from the prison. When I do that, you see that this is 1. I will have this square. We square this 4, this 2, it will give me 4. Automatic, this minus will be clear because minus 2 squared means minus 2 times minus 2. If I say minus 2 squared, this means minus 2 times minus 2, and that gives me 4. So automatically this one is what? 4. And when I square this man, it will leave me with what is inside the root, which is x plus what? 6 into x plus what? 3. Then if I square this man, it will leave me with 16. beautiful. If I square this man, you know that it's not only this man that is inside this bracket. This man is inside this bracket. I square him, give me 4. This man I square him, bah! You leave me with what is inside the root. So now, I will now have this. You see that I've released them. Yeah, I've released them. I will have this full. Are you get what I'm saying now? Expanding this. I want to expand this because I don't want to use long expansion. You can do that by yourself when you get home. You can do that. I want to use my mental expansion. I will do this. This go to this. This is my first action, which we did, and that will give me x squared. I'll have this. Let me use my mental expansion and do that fast. So we are wasting time. I want to do that fast without wasting time. I want to say that this will give me 4 inside my bracket. I will have what? X squared. That's my first action. My second action will be this, which will give me 6x plus this, which will give me 3x, and that give me second action, and that's 6 plus 3, giving me what? 9x. I get what I'm saying now. The last one should be this to this, which is my third action, and that will give me what? 3 times 6 will give me 12, and this is 18. That give me what? Plus what? 18. I will close the bracket, and it's equals to 16. I think you know what I did. Man, do you know what I did? I think you know what I did. Some people will confuse how we get that. Man. Okay, let me clean it up here again and state it well before I go that. I don't want to be somehow intimidating you with what I know. I don't want to intimidate you with what I know. I have 4, you remember, this x plus what 6 into what x plus what 3 is equals to 16. I agree with me? Yeah, but let me use long multiplication over here. I will have that this is here that you will get it right now. I think you can follow me right now here. I don't want to use what I know to intimidate you. I have this, that have what 1, which give me what x squared, that give me 4, what 4 into what x squared, that's the first one. The second I said this, give me 6x. Then the third one, this what? Give me what? 3x. I can see this is plus, and that's my second action. And this plus this give me what? 9x. The last action becomes this, which will give me third action, and that give me what? 18. And that give me what? 18. And I close, and is equals to 16. Boom. That's right. I think very sweet. And that will give me what? Opening the bracket here, 4x squared plus this times this, 18 plus 18, 36x. And 18 times 2, 18 times 4, 18 times this will give me, no need. I don't need to even begin to do that. I can say 4 divide itself, divide this, it will leave me with what? X squared plus what? 9x plus what? 18. And now will give me what? 4. 4 divide itself, 4 divide this, it will give me what? 4. Then bringing this in, I will have x squared plus what? 9x, 18 minus what? 4 is equals to 0. Because I want to bring it in a quadratic format, quadratic equation format. Somebody will ask, why did I bring 4 in? I want to make it in a quadratic equation format because I've already formed quadratic equation there. To have this, it means that I have a quadratic equation. So I have to bring it to quadratic equation format. Look at it. Squared, 9x, 18. This one is here. I have to bring it in so that it will be in a quadratic equation format. I have this. I'm going to have this now. X squared plus 9x plus what? 14. And is equals to 0. Then I will ask myself factorization. I will ask myself, what will I multiply together? That will give me 14. The first thing I will do is x squared times what? 14. Give me 14x squared. And I'll ask myself, what will I multiply together? That will give me 14. And when I add it together, it give me 9. And that should be what? 7x times what? 2x. Give me 14x squared. 7x plus what? 2x will give me what? 9x. That means I can use this to replace this man over there. I will have x squared plus what? 7x plus what? 2x plus 14 is equals to what? 0. I will have x squared plus 7x in bracket plus into what? 2x plus 14x is equals to what? 0. What is common here? X can divide x, give me x. X can divide 7x, will give me what? 7. Then plus, what you can do here? 2. 2 can divide itself, will give me what? X. Divide 14, giving me what? 7, and is equals to 0. I will have x plus what? 2 into what? X plus what? 7, and is equals to what? 0. Therefore, for these two things to multiply themselves, and the answer is 0. Come on. For these two things to multiply themselves, and answer is 0. Just imagine two persons living in the same room, having a key. Nobody have keys, only two of them, and things is lost, something is missing there. Is either one of them is holding the thing, or two of them know what happened to it. So for these two things to multiply themselves, and answer is 0, means that either this man is 0, which multiply this man and answer becomes 0, or this man is 0, which jam this man and answer becomes 0. So therefore I can say you are the 0 that caused that problem. Therefore x is minus what? 2. Or you are the 0, x plus 7, you are the 0 that caused the problem. Therefore x is equals to minus 7. I think we are there. He said for these two of them to multiply themselves and answer is 0, means that either this man, you are the 0, this become minus x. Or you are the 0, this become minus what? 7. Then let us take our answer. The answer now, the true answer, if they ask us the true value of x, the true value of x is equals to what? Minus 2. That's the true value. True what? True what? Value of what? X is equals to minus 2. If you put it back in the equation given to us, you will be able to get the real answer. Are you getting what I'm saying? So this is our answer. Our answer is that what? X is equals to minus 2 or what? Minus 7. But the real value of x that satisfies that question is what? Minus 2. The real value of x that satisfies that question is minus 2. Let us see the equation which you say that is what? Root what? X plus what? 6. Minus what? Root x plus what? 3. And is equals to root 2x minus what? 5 plus 5. I'm going to put x to be minus 2 here. If you put x to be minus 2 here, it will be root what? 4. If you put x to be minus 2 plus 6 will give me what? 4. If you put x to be minus 2 here, minus 2 plus this will give me 1. If you put x to be minus 2 here, it will give me what? Minus 4 plus 5 will give me 1. And then check this, root this will give me what? 2. Root 1 will give me 1. Root 1 will give me 1. 2 minus 1 will give me 1. Then I ask you, check by yourself, put 7. Put minus 7. Right? Put minus 7. Put minus 7. Put minus 7 here. You will see that if you put minus 7 here, this will be minus 1. And the root of minus 7 is what we call syntax. And we'll call it undefined. The calculator will tell you undefined. Are you get what I'm saying now? So this root, this minus 7 is not the real value of x. The true value of x is what? Minus 2 as our answer. That's our answer. The true value of x is what? Minus 2. This is not the real value of what? X. I think you have understood why I said that. If you put minus x here, it will be minus 7 plus 6 will give me minus 1. Automatically, this will blow off. Then with which put minus 2, it give you 4. You put minus 2, it give you 1. Put minus 2, it give you 1. And this give you 2. Minus 1, this give you equal. Love this channel. Subscribe to the channel. Share to your friends. Comment to the channel. Share. Tell your people, tell your friends that is writing WAEC that something is happening here. Tell people that is in SS2 that something is happening in this channel. You can come over this channel and learn many things and stabilize in mathematics and physics and as well in chemistry. So subscribe. Subscription is free. It's only a subscription that we needed because your subscription is what gives us a dividends of what we are doing here. If you love what we are doing here, subscribe so that we'll have a dividends. Your subscription is what gives us back our what? Dividends. If you don't subscribe and just watch it and enjoy what we are doing, that means you are stealing. Even though that will give it free to you. Subscribe, just press subscription. There's nothing, you are not paying anything for subscribe. It's free. Are you get what I'm saying? But your subscription count for us. You made it subscribe, it count for us. And made it count for us. That's when we have a dividends of what we are doing over here. So we like you to subscribe. We're not forcing you, but I would like you to subscribe on this channel. Subscribe, share to your friends, share to them in your WhatsApp, on your Facebook that something is going on here. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next video.